Welcome back to our channel. Today we are entering in second unit. We are going to see 2.1 Try Again English workshop. Let's start. First question. The following anagrams contain the words oblique phrases from the poem. Guess and write what they are. First, rainy tag. Try again. Second, our cage. Courage. Third, wait sir. Strive. Fourth, red rock. Reward. Fifth, tapnis. Patience. Sixth, serve pair. Persevere. Come to the next page. Second question. Pick out the lines that convey the following from the poem. A. If you keep trying without a doubt, you shall win. Answer. For if you will persevere, you will conquer, never fear. B. It is not shameful to struggle hard. Answer. If we strive, 'tis no disgrace, though we do not win the race. C. When others can do the work, so can you if you keep trying patiently. Answer. All that other folk can do, why with the patience may not you? D. When you fail in your first attempt, make another one. Answer. If at first you don't succeed, try again. Next, third question. Find from the poem the antonyms opposite words for the following. First, succeed opposite fail. Punishment opposite reward. Courage opposite fear. Stop oblique quit opposite persevere. Fifth, lose opposite win. Next, fourth question. Answer in your own words. A. What lesson should be kept always in your mind? Answer. If at first you don't succeed, you should try again to get success. B. What should someone who loses a race do? Answer. If someone has failed to win even though he or she had tried hard, in that case he should not feel ashamed of his failure and he or she should try again. What qualities is important when you are struggling for success? Answer. Patience is important quality when you are struggling of success. Next. When can a success have a greater value? When you are get it easily or if the difficulty? Answer. When you are get it with a difficulty. Come to the next question. Fifth. Read the poem and fill in the wave using the points from it. What leads to success? First, trying again. Second, perseverance. Third, striving. Fourth, patience. Fifth, courage. Next, a proverb is a simple and concrete truth which is universally accepted and frequently used. Sixth question. Most lines from the poem can serve as the truth or the proverb. Pick out the 3 or the 4 such lines. First line. If at first you don't succeed, try again. Second. If you persevere with the courage, you will conquer. Third. Though after striving you do not win, it is no disgrace. Fourth. Time will bring you your reward, so be patient. Like and subscribe. Using the decorative styles, write the same lines to make the poster, oblique posters, and with the permission, put them up in your school building.